Hi everyone, can you solve this math problem without using a calculator? Square root of 81 power 6 minus 81 power 5. We will start the solution of this question. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. We have equation square root of 81 power 6 minus 81 power 5. Now we can write this power 6 as 5 plus 1 and minus 181 power 5 as it is. We know that a raised to the power m plus n can be written as a power m times a power n. So this equation now becomes square root of 81 power 5 times 81 power 1 minus 81 power 5 as it is. Now we can see that this 81 power 5 can be taken as common, left with 81 minus 1. So equation now becomes square root of 81 power 5 into 80. Now where a is 81 power 5 and b is 80, so the equation becomes square root of 81 power 5 times square root of 80. Now we will simplify this equation. We will write this as 81 power 4 plus 1 square root times square root of 80 can be written as 16 into 5. Now we can write this as 81 power 4 times 81 square root times square root of 16 times square root of 5. So this can be written as 81 square whole square root of 81. And what is square root of 16? It is 4 times square root of 5. Now we cancel this square with square root. We get 81 square, and square root of 81 is 9 times 4 times square root of 5. Eighty-one can be written as 80 plus 1 whole square. 9 into 4 is 36 times square root of 5. We know that a plus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now it will become 80 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 80 into 1 times 36 times square root of 5. What is 80 squared? Is 6400 plus 1 plus 2 into 80 is 160 and 36 square root of 5. Now we will add this 6400 plus 160, 6561 times 36 times square root of 5. Now multiply this 6561 times 36. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 6 36. 3 carry. 6 5 30. 3 33. 3 carry. 6 6 36. 3 39. 3 1 3. 3 6 18. 1 carry. 3 5 15. 1 16. 3 6 18. 1 19. So 6 plus 3 9. 8 plus 3 11. 9 1 10 16. 9 1 10 13. 1 and 1 2. So the final answer is square root of 81 power 6 minus 81 power 5, written as 236196 square root of 5. This is the final answer of this question, and I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily math Olympiad algebra problems. Thanks for watching.